Discover how Karan fulfilled his commercial pilot dream despite zero aviation background. Hey, if you have just finished 12th standard or are about to and find yourself constantly searching how to become a pilot in India late at night on your phone, then this message is specifically for you. Are you worried that despite your dream, commercial pilot training might be too expensive for your family to afford? Do you secretly fear that even if you convince your parents to invest, you might not clear those tough exams everyone talks about? Or maybe you are from a tier 1 and 2 city and wondering if someone like you without perfect English or aviation connections can actually make it in this field. I understand these concerns because they are the exactly what Karan faced 2 years ago. Today, I'm going to show you how Karan went from ordinary 12th pass student with these same doubts to becoming a commercial pilot, now earning 2 lakhs per month with a leading airline. The transformation happened through our proven 7-step flight path system that works specifically for regular students without any aviation background or family connections. And the best part, Karan parents were initially more skeptical than yours probably are right now. They worried about the same 75 lakhs investment and might be concerning your family. Let me show you exactly how this system works. Hey, I'm Captain P. Kumar, ex-Indigo pilot, was flying on Airbus 320, now founder of Top Crew Aviation. For the past 20 years, I have been training and mentoring aspiring pilots, helping them transform from regular students into confident commercial pilots, flying for the world's leading airline. But I wasn't always an aviation expert. I started just like you, a regular student with big dreams of flying. I know exactly what it feels like to share at those magnificent jets soaring over and wonder, could that be me someday? I have spent over 2 decades in aviation industry, flying for major airline and training hundreds of pilots. But what gives me most satisfaction is not the thousands of flight hours I have logged, it's seeing my students succeed over so many others fail. In today's competitive aviation landscape, less than 30% of those who start pilot training actually end up with airline jobs. Yet at Top Crew Aviation, our success rate is 97%. Let me be brutally honest about something. The path to becoming a commercial pilot is littered with challenges that most training institutes won't tell you about. You are facing obstacles like confusion about where even begin the pilot training journey, overwhelming information about flight school, licenses and requirements, fear of failing rigorous aviation exams and wasting your parents' hard-earned money, uncertainty about whether you are actually get placed in an airline after spending lakhs, concerns about whether you have the right background or English fluency, parents who are skeptical about investing 75 plus lakhs in your dream. They are not just minor hurdles. They are dream killers that prevent thousands of talented students from ever earning their wings. Let me share something most aviation academies won't tell you. Nearly 70% of students start their training never completed. Of those who completed, almost half struggles to get placed with airline. Why? Because most training approaches are fundamentally flawed. Most academies focus solely only passing exams rather than building real-world flying competence and airline readiness. They leave you on your own when it comes to the most critical part, actually landing a job with an airline. Let me tell you about Bhavna, one of our students from a small town from Aligarh, UP. 6 months ago, her family had no aviation connections and 75 lakh training costs seemed impossible. Her husband, being government employees, were extremely confused. Flying jets is for rich kids from big cities, they told her. Focus on engineering or becoming a doctor or maybe UPSC instead. But Bhavna couldn't shake her dream of becoming a pilot. After researching dozens of academies, she found us at Top Crew Aviation. When she walked into our campus, she was full of self-doubt. Will I be able to pass all those complex exams? How will my family afford this huge training cost? Will I actually get a job after completing the training? These were not just Bhavna's concern. They are the same fears that might be going through your mind right now. But unlike other academies that made vague promises, we showed Bhavna our systematic approach, our 7-step flight path system that has transformed over hundreds of regular students into successful commercial pilots. So what exactly is the system that turned Bhavna from a regular student to a commercial pilot commanding aircraft for the leading airline? Let me break down our system. 7-step flight path system. Step number 1, personalized flight plan creation. We start by creating a customized roadmap based on your unique situation, your academic strength, financial capacity, and career goals. Unlike generic approaches, we tailor the entire journey to fit your specific circumstances. Step 2, foundation building program. Our foundational training ensures you master the core aviation concepts that are crucial for passing exam. This is not rote memorization, it's deep understanding that builds your confidence and competence. Step 3, high performance medical preparation. Many pilot dreams are crushed by failed medical tests. Our specialized preparation ensures you are fully ready for the Class 1 medical examination, something most academies completely ignore. Step 4, strategic flight training selection. We help you choose between training in India, the USA, or anywhere in the world based on your specific needs, budget, constraints, and career goals. This critical decision can save you up to 50 lakhs and months of unnecessary training. Step 5, exam success system. Our specialized approach to exam preparation has resulted in a 97% first attempt pass rate, unheard of in the industry where the average is below 50%. This is not about cramming, it's about strategic preparation. Step 6, airline readiness training. This is where we truly stand apart. While other academies stop at licensing, we prepare you specifically for airline selection processes, from simulator assessments to interview technique that actually work. Step number 7, guaranteed placement assistance. We don't just promise placement, we guarantee ongoing support until you secure your position with an airline. Our selections with Emirates, Indigo, SpiceJet, Air India, and other carriers ensure our graduates get priority consideration. This is not just theory, it's the exact system that transformed Bhavna from a doubtful student to a confident commercial pilot. The results of our system speak for themselves. 97% exam success rate on first attempt, hundreds of students transformed into commercial pilots, graduates flying for Emirates, Indigo, SpiceJet, Air India, and other top airlines. Average time from starting training to the airline placement, just 24 to 30 months. Students from 150 plus cities across India, including small towns and villages. Success stories from students with average academic background. Scholarship opportunities that have saved students up to 10 lakhs. But what matters most is not just these numbers, it's the transformation in our student lives. Like Karan, who now earns 2 lakhs monthly flying international routes, or Sabiha, from Jodhpur, who became one of the small town's female pilot despite having no aviation background. Or Anupama from Ghaziabad, whose parents were initially dead set against the risky career, but now proudly tell everyone about her daughter, the pilot. Now I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great, but will it really work for me? Whether you are from a small town or from a metro city, whether your English is perfect or needs improvement, whether your family has connections or not, this system works. But what about the cost? My family can't afford 75 plus lakhs. That's exactly why we have created flexible financing options and scholarship opportunities of up to 10 lakhs, plus our strategic planning selection often save families 15 plus lakhs compared to standard approaches. How do I know? I actually get a job after completing training. Unlike other academies that abandon you after licensing, we provide guaranteed placement assistance until you secure your airline position. Our 97% placement success rate speaks for itself. What if I'm not smart enough to pass all those difficult exams? Our step-by-step system is designed specifically for regular students, not for geniuses. Our 97% exam success rate includes students from all academic backgrounds, many who were average or even below average in school. My parents don't believe this is a stable career choice. The reality is that India's aviation sector is experiencing unprecedented growth, with airlines planning to add 1,000 plus aircraft in the upcoming years. Each new aircraft requires 10 to 12 pilots, creating thousands of the high-paying opportunities. So now you might be wondering, how do I get started? The journey to a pilot's wings begins with a single step of personalized one-on-one pilot career counseling with our expert counselors. In this comprehensive 30 minutes counseling, we will analyze your specific situation and create a personalized pilot career roadmap. Address all your concerns about training, exams, and airline placement. Explain financing options and potential scholarship opportunities. Answer any question you or your parents might have about the commercial pilot journey. This is not a generic sales pitch. It's a detailed career session designed to give you complete clarity on your path forward. But I must be honest, this opportunity is not for everyone. We are looking for serious aspirants who are truly passionate about becoming commercial pilot, willing to follow a proven system, ready to put in the necessary work and dedication. Due to our hands-on approach and personalized attention, we can only accept a limited number of students each month. If you are serious about transforming your pilot dream into reality, click the button below to book your one-on-one pilot career counseling right now. Don't let confusion, misinformation, or self-doubt keep you grounded. The skies are waiting for you, and we have the proven system to get you there. Click the button now to book your counseling session with us. Your pilot journey starts today.